Hey guys, it's Alexander. I'm back with a huge waterfall. I'll see you when I'm there. Be whale, it's the mini. Yeah, oh, it's mini. It's really mini. Really. I'm gonna give the dad my dad the camera to show a different like view. Why is there ladders? Very unstable ladders. I have actually been here before. I've actually been here at this waterfall before. But I'll see you guys later. Bye.